This is devastating to watch.
All right, thank you, Austin. Yeah, also in Santa Cruz County, many are cleaning up after the big waves there. Continuing our coverage now, people in and around the Aptos area seeing that high surf and flooding on the streets. We spoke with people in that neighborhood who say, they tell us that what happened this morning is a very familiar sight. It was an eerie sound Thursday morning in the Rio Del Mar Flats neighborhood. People waking up receiving that message from the Santa Cruz County Sheriff's Office.
It's a pure state of panic, to be honest, as far as the community goes, because you know there's plenty out there that are not prepared.
Rio Del Mar Beach underwater, waves pushing up onto the street, seawater pushing up against homes and onto roadways, all from these wicked waves.
It's been a rough few years.
Jill Verner lives in the area. Her family has owned a home on Beach Drive since the 1960s. For her, this is starting to sound like a broken record.
This is devastating to keep going through this and seeing what it's doing to this community. We are barely back up and running, and this hits again. I don't know how much more we can withstand down here. Last year, if you had seen me, I was standing on the stairwell in tears. This year, I'm doing much better.
From above, you can see the waves pushing up onto the road at Seacliff State Beach, the waves crashing over the SS Palo Alto. This area hit hard last season, getting the brunt of this system on Thursday. Many people coming out taking pictures to catch a glimpse of the waves.
I wanted to see what was washing up, and I was kind of wanting to watch the cement ship to see how it's faring. It's just kind of taken a pounding the past few years.
Well, I've been living here 20 years, and this would be the second time I've seen this.
I'm always so grateful for that this is such a community that will step up behind each other. I love this place. I love Aptos. No storm's gonna chase me out of here. So I will be here protecting this place forever.
Community coming together there. Good to see that. We did check. All evacuation warnings in that area have been lifted at this hour.